Today's clock is this Slava USSR alarm clock made in the USSR. Also, here's the back. It has rust on it. It's a very rusty alarm clock. Actually, I think this is one of the rustiest alarm clocks I've ever seen. But yeah, now there's actually a story behind this clock. There's quite a story behind this clock. So yeah, I have told you about the house that I bought in Făgățelu. And actually, I also found this clock. This Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. And now you might remember that I made a video on another Slava alarm clock. But we're not talking about that one. At the moment, we are talking about this one. So yeah, here's this Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. I'm gonna try and see if I can get the alarm working. Ah, there we go. So yeah, it's kind of broken. But anyway, here's this Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. And the alarm sound is kind of weird. But there's nothing I can do about it. But anyway, yeah, here's this Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. Bye guys.